morning, y'all. Welcome back to the vlog. It's another day, and today is Downpipe day, so we're installing that at my local GT Customs, as you guys saw in the last vlog. So today was my booked time for all of that. So I'm getting the car warmed up and we're headed out. I'm pretty late right now. It's 8:46. My appointment is 9, and I'm working from home, so I got to get back as soon as possible because I got a lot on my plate for the day. Let's get going. So I have no idea how I'm getting back home. I'm honestly just winging it. Alright, she's gonna get a slow warm-up today. Whew, no more being strapped up in the back. Brought some of my work just in case I'm there for a little bit longer than I'd hope. I'm probably just gonna grab an Uber and head back home. Looks like I'm gonna have to be a lone soldier and figure it all out on the fly like I normally do. Oh, see you at GT Customs. Start my day with a warm beverage. Gets the soul warm. And we're back like we never left. There's Marcus's whip. GT Customs. Alright, so we're at GT and they're gonna bring the car in. So I'm giving my keys. I'm getting myself an Uber and head my ass home before work piles up even more than it is. Says he's here.
An eternity later.
Hello there.
Hey, how are you?
Good. I'm just getting all the window gallery on.
Alright, sweet. So it's time?
Yeah, if you want, you can start shooting over.
Alright, perfect. I'll head on over. It's time to go! I got my tuning laptop in here just in case some stupid shit wants to happen and I need to do the quick base map on Honda. Just in case. Can't be too prepared, man. Ooh, looking fresh. Sheesh. Today is probably one of the nicer days that we're gonna have for a while. It's gonna get real cold soon. Got Avery over there in the corner. True. I'm gonna tuck this in the corner real quick. Boy Avo. That's loud. That's so loud. That's super loud. Neighbors are gonna be slightly upset, but that's good. Oh my God, we are popping flames. Woo! Thanks, man, appreciate it. I'm gonna leave this babes here because I'm taking the 9th gen. All right, dog. I gotta go test this thing. I don't need this shit. This is the first drive. My camera might die. It doesn't like the cold too much. So it did sound a little bit raspy to start with, which you know I hate. If there is some rasp there, I will tend to that. Maybe another res or a different muffler or something. Little stinky smell, but about to do the first pull. Not bad, not bad. We're about to take this on the highway. For some reason, the camera likes to die when it's very cold outside. I don't know if it's just my Sony. The car feels a little off just because it's not tuned to have that downpipe there. So I'm pretty sure something's messed up. Make sure everything looks good, whatever. No check engine lights. And yeah, just make sure that everything's running good with a proper base map to begin with until I can meet up with a tuner. Everything is good. The installation was good. Thank you GT Customs for that. Really appreciate it. It is, I'm not gonna lie, it's hella raspy, and you guys know that I don't like rasp. I'm definitely gonna have to figure out a solution for the raspiness, and my first order of business will probably be adding a res. If it's still too raspy from that, I'm going to resort to probably putting in a silencer, just because I like the clean tone. I'm not a guy who wants to be super loud and raspy and sound like a rice cannon. I knew that was a sacrifice in order to have a little bit more power and a little bit more flow with the downpipe being installed. But, you know, if I can figure out a way to counter that, I'm gonna do it. So yeah, thanks for riding with me on another one, and I will update you on the next order of business. So break free and let your inner instincts unchain your hidden potential. Remember that and factor that into every day of your lives. Thanks for coming. See you in the next one.
Got my own plot until I took the summer. Yeah, all on my own. This time we waited.